Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find a Gmail by phone number. And for this we go to our Gmail and then we click here on our account sign and then we go to add another account just to log in. Then we click on use another account and then we click on forgot email. Then from now write down your phone number and then we do next. Then right now fill in your first name and your surname and then we do next. And then right now click here on send and he will send a verification code to your phone number. So right now we receive that, fill that verification code in. Then we do next. And then right now you will find all the Gmails that are linked to your phone number. So from now you can choose the Gmail that you were searching for and then use that to log in. So this is exactly how you can find a Gmail by phone number, and hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.